What if I told you that the colors of your food are actually secret signals? Signals that can help your body fight off cancer and keep you healthier than ever. Sounds like something out of a sci fi movie, right? But it's 100% real. Today, we're talking about photochemicals, those little tiny warriors in your fruits and veggies that will be working behind the scenes to help protect your health. And you might think you know what's on your plate, but in by the end of this video, maybe you'll be looking at your meals in a whole new light. Ready to unlock the power of these hidden superheroes? All right. Now, I'm Debbie Sadie-Fi. Welcome back to another session of our Proven Cancer Strategies Revealed 90 Days to Cancer Resilience series. I'm oh my God, hang on. Should have put my phone on mute. All right. Anyway, I want to welcome you back. And today, like I said, we're diving into some incredible nutrition information on phytochemicals. These are these tiny compounds in our fruits and vegetables that pack a big punch when it comes to protecting your health, and especially when it comes to preventing cancer. So let's dive in. Let's start with a simple breakdown. Photochemicals are natural compounds found in plants. So that's going to be your fruits, your veggies, grains, and beans. So you name it if it's in the plants. Think of them as nature's defense system, not just for the plant, but for you too. And what's fascinating is that these compounds are specifically designed to protect our body from chronic diseases like cancer. And you may be thinking, why should I care about these little things? Well, here's why they matter. Number one, they are antioxidant powerhouses. Photochemicals work by neutralizing free radicals. So imagine free radicals are like little troublemakers in your body that can damage your cells and they increase your risk of cancer. The photochemicals come in and kick them out. In addition, they are anti inflammatory superstars. Inflammation is kind of like fuel in the fire for cancer. But certain photochemicals, like those in turmeric or leafy greens, can help put that fire out. You think of inflammation as like a smoldering fire. And if it gets enough steam, it's no longer smoldering, it turns into a bonfire. So we want to stop it before it gets into a bonfire. And this is what our anti inflammatory superstars are going to do for you. And as well, these photochemicals are immune system boosters. So we all know that we want to have a strong immune system, right? The photochemicals will help protect your immune system and your immune cells, giving them the strength to keep you healthy and to fend off illnesses. So let's talk about broccoli for a second. Broccoli contains the photochemical called sulforaphane. This is one of the most powerful cancer fighting agents we know of. And you may have heard me talk about it before, or others talk about cruciferous vegetables and the sulforaphane. So, this sulforaphane, which is our photochemical, actually helps our body to eliminate toxins. It helps to boost enzymes that will protect our healthy cells. Now that's pretty cool. And it's not just broccoli, it's all the cruciferous vegetables like kale, cauliflower, cabbage, bok choy. There's so many of them. Now, I wanted just to share a fascinating study with you, or at least I think it's fascinating, that really demonstrates the power of these compounds. So researchers at the University of Illinois found that people who ate one serving of cruciferous vegetables like broccoli every day had much lower risk of certain cancers. In this study, they found that the photochemical sulforaphane in broccoli didn't just reduce the cancer cells, it actually stopped them from multiplying. It was like cutting off the power supply to the invaders. And that's why eating just one or two servings of these photochemical rich veggies can have such a huge impact. They're working in the background, protecting your cells and keeping them healthy. So you can think of it this way. Your body is like a concert venue. Maybe you're going to see Taylor Swift or something, if you can get tickets. And you've got these free radicals and cancer cells that are trying to sneak in and cause chaos. The photochemicals are like the elite security guards at the entrance. They're scanning, they're blocking the bad guys, they're protecting people inside. That's your cells. And the more colorful your food is, the more diverse and effective your security team is. So I have a question, or you might be asking, how much broccoli do I need to eat to get these benefits? I hope you like broccoli, or you learn to like it, or other cruciferous vegetables. If you don't really need to eat broccoli at every meal, but aim to get 1 to 2 servings of cruciferous vegetables a day, and that will give you a solid dose of these protective compounds. And remember, I think a serving is about a half a cup. So it's not a lot. It's not like we're asking you to eat a ton. And when you divide up your plate, if you have a plate and you divide it in half, one half should be, at least one half should be all of your veggies that you're putting in. And so if you can put some of them being cruciferous vegetables, that will help you to protect you when it comes to your cancer resilience. And now it's not just green veggies, because we're talking about broccoli is green and some of these other cruciferous vegetables, but it's not just the green vegetables that are important. You've probably heard that eating the rainbow of colors is good for you, right? I've heard this so many times. A couple of years ago, when I first did my first Proven Cancer Strategies Revealed Summit, pretty much every single speaker I had talked about one of the things to do is eat the rainbow. And this is because different colors of fruits and veggies represent different photochemicals. So red foods like tomatoes have lycopene, which helps to protect against things like prostate cancer. Purple foods like blueberries contain anthocyanins, which are an anti-inflammatory and protect your brain health as well. And blueberries are totally a superfood. So if you can add some blueberries or other berries into your breakfast, you are covering yourself for some of those amazing properties that the berries have. And orange foods like carrots and sweet potatoes are rich in beta carotene, which is also a very powerful antioxidant. So you can get all these different rainbow of foods, and the more variety that you put into your diet, the better. So if you can get 30 to 40 different plant foods into your diet every week, then you are doing well. And I've heard some people say at least 30 and others say 40. You can try to do a mixture of different things, and always good to try new foods as well. Now, you might be wondering how much do I need to make sure, how do I make sure that I'm getting enough of these photochemicals if I don't eat a lot of fruits and veggies right now? So if you're not eating a lot of fruits and veggies right now, then I want you to start simple. Instead of overhauling your entire diet all at once, try adding one new vegetable or fruit each and every day. So if you're having a sandwich, you might want to throw in a handful of spinach if you're not already doing so. If you're making a smoothie, make sure to toss in some berries, or if you've got your cereal, add some berries to it. These small steps, these little tiny steps, will lead to big results. So let's take a moment now and talk about how you can actually put this into practice, because knowledge without implementing it and doing something about it is like not having the knowledge at all. So we really need to make sure that we're practicing. And so here's what you need to remember. Photochemicals are your best defense against diseases like cancer. So if you're grocery shopping or when you're grocery shopping, make sure you focus on variety. The more colors you put on your plate, the more nutrients you're getting. And healthy cancer prevention isn't about one single superfood. It's about building a diet that includes a wide range of anti-cancer nutrients. And these are the types of things that will build your resilience in your body. So make sure you are adding those anti-inflammatory and antioxidant rich foods each and every day, and also helping your immune system as well. And you may be wondering, can you get the benefits of these photochemicals from your supplements? Well, unfortunately, not really. Now, some supplements can be helpful, but real food is always better because it contains the full spectrum of nutrients and fiber that your body needs, and it's in a form that your body is expecting. Supplements are a bonus, but they will never replace eating whole foods, and they will never be able to compensate for a poor diet. You really need to get those whole foods, those veggies and fruits into your body. Keep it real. All right. So now, OJ, is there any questions from your end before we close off?
Yes, I have a question. You talked about broccoli, you talked about blueberries and their benefits. So I wanted to know about carrots. What
Carrots?
phytochemicals, yeah, do they contain? Carrots and yeah, peppers. Yeah.
Yeah.
I want to know what
Yeah,
phytochemicals do.
so they are also really good. They definitely your peppers contain vitamin C, and carrots are really good. I think they also contain. I think the same with they're a yellow vegetable, so they will be the same as what we talked about for the beta carotene as well, the orange food. So we already said carrots are rich in beta carotene, and so it's a very powerful antioxidant. So all of those are amazing vegetables to eat, definitely.
Okay, great. Thank you.
And if you're eating them, keep eating them because they're good for you.
Yeah.
All right.
Awesome.
Okay. So we're going to wrap up for today. But I want to make sure that when you're prepping your next meal, look at your plate and ask yourself, where's the color? And add in at least one new colorful vegetable or fruit every day. And I challenge you to share your meals. Oh, you could share your meals with us. What are you eating? How are you eating the rainbow? How are you getting in your variety of plant-based foods? And we will be continuing to dive into more nutrition topics throughout this week. And so you don't want to miss it. Thanks for tuning in today. Don't forget to hit subscribe on our YouTube channel and share this video with anyone who could benefit from learning about these incredible cancer-fighting compounds. We'll see you tomorrow, and until then, stay resilient.